Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying essentials. Make sure your Google TV is powered and online on the same Wi-Fi as your phone so casting works. Once done, update the TV OS to the latest build. That avoids compatibility hiccups, and install Netflix from the Play Store. Sign into Netflix now, because logging in later interrupts flow. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled for remote pairing, or HDMI CEC is active if you plan to control playback from another device. Now focus on connection. Open Netflix on Google TV or tap the cast icon inside the Netflix mobile app to select your TV. This creates a direct streaming session and preserves device battery. Once connected, pick your profile and choose playback quality in settings if your internet fluctuates, because lower quality avoids buffering. Use the voice remote or search bar to find titles fast, and make sure audio output matches your sound system. Change to ARC or optical if finished by testing playback for a couple of minutes. Check that subtitles sync, audio is correct, and the remote controls respond. If you encounter stuttering or the app crashes, force close Netflix, reboot your Google TV, and then rejoin the Wi-Fi. This clears transient network or app issues. If casting still fails, sign out of Netflix on both devices and sign back in, because session tokens can expire. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, power cycle your router and TV before more invasive resets.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.